Hello everyone and welcome back. First of all, wish you very happy and prosperous Diwali to everyone, and I hope you have a very safe Diwali with your family and friends. Coming back to the channel, today is a very special day. First of all, it's Diwali, and Diwali usually does not go without any big purchases for us. So yes, today is the day. We are heading out to get the delivery of our Tata Altroz Dark Edition iTurbo. So yeah, I'm very excited. I'm all dressed up dark, and so is my wife, and we'll be heading out soon. We have arrived at the delivery center. This is not the dealership, but the place where they usually stock their cars. There are a lot of cars here for delivery, as expected. Let's go find ours. Food or car? What do you prefer today?
Car and only car.
That's not fair. Food first.
Car first. And finally, we are in our car. The delivery formalities are done. The demo is done. And now we are heading home. Happy weekend.
Not like this, make it clap.
So we reached home in the afternoon, we got some rest and thought of taking out the car back again out when the sun went down. We just wanted to see how the dark really looks when it really becomes dark. And so this is it. It is really dark now, and trust me, the dark edition of Altroz really comes into its full glory when it's dark out. So that was all about today. We got the delivery. I'm planning to make few more videos on the complete exterior and interior, some technicalities, some features, and my experience buying this car. I hope you like this video. If you have any questions, if you have something to ask me, feel free to head to the comment section, drop your questions there, and I'll be more than happy to answer those. Until next time, bye bye.